Right way to have chia seeds. If you are not having the chia seeds in the right way, it can result to death. Yes, you heard it right. It's a very dangerous thing if you're not having chia seeds rightly. Now there has been a case recorded that is 39-year-old man almost choked to death because of chia seeds. What went wrong in his case? What exactly happened? How did chia seeds almost choked him to death? Now that is very interesting. Now chia seeds are very nutritious, a superfood what people tend to call it. It is rich in fiber, antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, minerals, whatnot. Everything is there in chia seeds. It is absolutely a beautiful food. Never have chia seeds directly. Just take it in the spoon and just having it directly. No, don't ever do that. Now chia seeds has a tendency that they expand 27 times their weight once they come in contact with the water. So that is a property of a chia seed. That is how it happens, you know. So what happened post ingestion, this man, the chia seed just expanded and it got choked in his esophagus. He almost choked to death. Now this is very dangerous and very serious situation. Now you need to understand that fact. Never have chia seeds directly. Please don't. They can expand 27 times the weight when they come in contact with the water, and it is going to be really dangerous at times. So what you need to do is always take a glass of water or any liquid, soak the chia seeds in them. Maybe overnight, jo bhi aap karte ho, ya maybe for some time, just soak them in water and then have it. Okay, do not directly have the dry chia seeds and then have a glass of water. It's very dangerous. Now whatever happened with him, he was so lucky that he got out of it, but sometimes people are not that lucky that they can get out of it as well.